Hey guys, welcome to KB Cars. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing and review of Amazon Basics 16-inch tripod. Yeah, so let's begin by unboxing it. Wait. There are already so many unboxing and review videos of this Amazon Basics tripod. So why not make 5 reasons why not to buy this Amazon Basics tripod video? Yeah. The first reason, even before unboxing the box, is that the packaging is mostly damaged on this Amazon Basics package. Yeah. While if you buy any other tripod, it usually has two packagings. One that is done by the seller and the other that is done by the brand, the inside packaging of the tripod. Yeah. So the first disadvantage is that you get such broken box which seems that it is open already. Yeah, first reason. Before going on to the other reasons, let's unbox the box. Yeah, as I have unboxed the box, let me tell you the second reason. The bag that the tripod comes in is of very poor quality and this will break very soon. Comparing to the other bag that I have, other tripod bag, it's heavier than this bag. Yeah. Before going on to the third reason, let's unzip the bag to take out the tripod. Yeah. The tripod comes in a plastic wrapping that has to be removed in order to use the tripod. The third reason of not buying this Amazon Basics tripod is that it comes in this grey color, so it would easily catch dirt and that would make the tripod dirty. So if you want to use it for both indoor and outdoor purposes, you will surely have to clean it before going for indoor photography. Yeah. Before going on to the fourth reason, let's go outside. Yeah. So I have opened the tripod to the full potential of it. Yeah. Let's go to the fourth reason. The handle that is provided with the tripod to carry it is not much sturdy, so there are more chances of breaking it. So it is not recommended to mount the camera and then carry it with the handle, because you may lose your camera. So this was the fourth reason. Now let's move to the final and the last reason. Yeah. So the fifth reason is the mount that they have provided with the tripod is not available as separately on the website. So if in case if you lose it or if you want multiple mounts, then it is not possible for multiple cameras. Yeah. So you can use the tripod only with one camera. Means if you have multiple cameras and then you can't go on a trip, you have to every time screw this out and change your camera. Yeah. So this was the fifth reason, the last and final reason. So this was all for the video. tune up to my channel for the video on 5 reasons why to buy the Amazon Basics tripod in case I make it. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down there below. Bye bye.